Good morning. Welcome to you all in my 12th online session. Today in chapter number 1, Standard 3rd, Where to Look From, we are going to study some new topics of mirror halls. So first we study mirror halls and then complete the mirror halls in a picture, in a letter and in a word. How you have to draw, how you have to decide which image is that, which word is that, which letter is that in this today's session. Do you know what is mirror hall? How it is useful in our routine life? Let us see. An image which is like a reflection of a mirror. If we stand in front of the mirror, how we look, that shows the reflection, that is known as reflection. So if we are draw any of the shape, any of the letter or any of the word in front of the mirror, then how it completes, how it looks, that shows the reflection of a mirror. Objects are the same on both sides of a line, means in the left hand side and in the right hand side. If we stand in front of the mirror, then we look same as we have. So nothing is changed in the reflection and in the image, and you have to draw these mirror holes in the middle of the object, middle of the any of the figure. Mirror reflection symmetry divides a figure or a design into holes that are the mirror images. If we want to draw, if we want to complete any of the figure, if we want to see how many parts of that, so we have to draw mirror holes, or we can say we have to draw reflection symmetry. With the help of this symmetry, line of symmetry, we can divide any figure into two or more than two parts. But that all parts should be equal, that all parts look like same as their other parts. For example, here C, and this is the line of symmetry. Then how it looks? See, this both looks are same. Another example, this is a cutter. Then again we draw one line of mirror symmetry. Then it looks like this. You see here, both the side of this shape, this both shapes looks like same. So this is known as mirror image. Let us see one more example of mirror noise. This is our original picture. If we put this picture in front of the mirror, then what is the reflection of this picture? Let us see. This is the reflection of picture. So first picture, that is our original picture. Second we get, that is our image, that is known as reflection of our original image, and this standing line is known as line of reflection. So whenever you are getting any image by the reflection, then at that time it looks like our original figure, just change in the that direction. See, if we stand in front of the mirror and if we rise up our left hand, then you can see in the mirror, you can see our right hand is up. This is just change in the image, that is the change in the shape. You get same shape as the original image. Let us see some another concept. Complete the mirror holes in the picture. In this I am giving only the half picture to you. With the help of the mirror holes, you have to complete that picture. So, this is just half portion of shape, half of any picture, and this is the line of reflection. This is the mirror holes. Now we have to complete it. Here they will given half portion to you, so you have to draw just same half portion on the another side, and you have to complete that figure. So this is the figure of circle. Means we can say circle divides into two equal parts by the mirror holes. Now second picture, here you can see the circle, and again one mirror holes, and you have to complete. Whenever you have to complete the mirror hole, you have to complete all the things one by one. First you complete this big portion and then small portion, so it looks like a smiley. You can see here both the side of this image are equal, left hand side as well as the right hand side. You get same image, same as our original. Second one slanting line and one is the slipping line. And here it is mirror holes. Just complete first slanting line and then slipping line. That this figure is known as triangle. Another one, both are the slanting line, and this is the mirror holes. So now you have to complete this both slanting line. So it looks like a quadrilateral. It looks like a rhombus, square. Now one another example. Here it is only half portion of the circle, mirror holes, and then it's complete. Then it becomes a circle. So you can draw mirror hole horizontally as well as vertically. If you draw horizontal or vertical, nothing difference. That line of symmetry, that mirror holes depends on the shape. How you can divide any of the shape? If you can divide that shape by the standing line, using standing line, then you have to use standing line. If you can draw, you can cut, you can fold any of the shape in the slipping line, then you can complete that figure by using slipping line. Let us see some another mirror holes, but these mirror holes we have to see in the alphabet. The same. Here half portion of any of the alphabet I am given to you. So and then after mirror line. You have to complete and tell me which is the letter. So this is the letter A. This thing already we studied yesterday, but the name of that is line of symmetry. Yesterday we studied how to divide any of the figures into two equal parts. By using that concept, you have to complete here mirror holes. Second letter and the line of symmetry, and you have to just complete it. So first you have to draw this slanting line and then you have to complete slipping line. So it becomes N. Then slipping line and standing line, mirror holes. So you have to complete first slipping line and then standing line. So it becomes T. Then again both are slanting line. So we have to complete it by the mirror holes. So it becomes W. Then slanting and standing. So we complete first slanting line and then we complete standing line. So it becomes Y. Then both are the slanting line. So with the help of the mirror holes, you have to complete that both slanting line. So it becomes X. These all are the letters which divide by the standing line. Now we have to see the letters complete by the slipping line. So in the slipping line you have to draw same as a standing line, but that shape should be down. So here one standing line and curve. So first complete standing line and curve. So it becomes a B. Then all are the standing and slipping lines. So complete it. So this letter become E. Then slanting line and standing line. So complete this image. So it becomes K. Then only the semicircle, half circle. So complete this and it becomes O. Then after only some portion of curve. So it becomes, when you complete this curve, it becomes C. Then standing and curve. So again, by the help of the mirror holes, complete this figure, it becomes D. Now let us see some mirror holes in a word. In this I am given one spelling, one word to you, but that word, that spelling, half portion is given. By using mirror holes, you have to complete that spelling, you have to complete that word and then tell me what is that word. So the first one, when you have to complete this mirror hole, you have to just remember that if they were given slipping line to you, then you have to complete that shape, that word, that letter below the slipping line. So here we have to complete the shape of this word below this slipping line. So half curve, we have to draw first half curve and then both are the slanting line. So draw both are the slanting line in their opposite direction. So it becomes ox, O-X, ox. Now one another example. One standing line, half curve and then semicircle. And you have to complete this word by using mirror holes. So in the opposite side of the slipping line, you have to draw. So the spelling, this word becomes D-O, do. Now one another example, see. Here they will divide this letter in a standing line. So first you have to complete first letter, then second letter and then third letter and then you have to assume what is the word. So by the mirror holes, here they were given standing line to you. So you have to complete these letters beside this standing line. So the first is you have to draw slipping line and then standing line. So it becomes H, then A and then T. H-A-T, hat. Then again, some half portion they were given to you by the mirror holes. You have to complete it. So this first you have to draw slanting line and standing line. So it becomes M, then A and then T. M-A-T, mat. Now one another example. Here again they were given mirror holes, some mirror holes to you. By using the mirror holes, you have to complete this figure. So first you have to draw standing line and then curve. So it becomes D-I-C-E, dice. I hope you all understand these all topics very easily and you all enjoy these all topics. Thank you.